Hello students, good afternoon all of you. Okay, so in previous class we have done histogram, right? Kritika, that day you was present or not? Eleven commerce in your class, histogram done or not? Give me response. Okay, thank you. In the previous class we done histogram of equal class intervals. Today we will do histogram of unequal class intervals. Histogram of unequal class interval. That means like 10 to 15, next 15 to 20, next one 20 to 30. Okay, see the previous two class intervals is 5, but the next intervals after two series, then third series they have the intervals 10. Okay, so that type of the problem how we can face. So now before presenting the data in a diagram forms, first we find out the adjustment factor for any class. So there, write down this one, there will be one formula, adjustment factor of any class. Okay, there is one formula. Class intervals of constant class divided by the lower class intervals. Constant class divided by lower class interval. Okay, now when the series given by in a unequal class intervals, that time we need to find out first adjustment factor. So now I will give one example. By this example we solve this problem. Okay, so okay, all of you written that one. So I'm rubbing this. Okay, so write down weekly wages. Next one, number of workers. Okay, so first one 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. See here interval is 5. Next 30 to 40, 40 to 60. Next one class interval 10, and the next series class interval is 20, 60 to 80. Same here. Okay, so 7, 10, 27, 15, 12, 12 and 8. Yes, Debargo. Cannot see the board. Okay. I dictate this one. Make two columns. First make two columns. First column, in the first column you write down weekly wage. Weekly wages in rupees. First column, make the heading weekly wages in rupees. Done. Under this write down 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80. Done, Debargho? Give me response. Do fast. Okay, next write down number, in the next column write down number of workers. Under number of workers write down 7, 10, 27, 15, 12, 12, 8. I repeat, number of workers, under number of workers write down 7, 10, 27, 15, 12, 12, 8. Okay, now for the unequal distribution or unequal intervals, we find out the adjustment factor. Adjustment factor. Okay, Kritika, I already given the formula how we find out the adjustment factor. That means how we find out class intervals of the concerned class divided by the lower class intervals. See here, 10 to 15, 5, 15 to 25, 20 to 25, 5, 25 to 35. So next 10, 20, 20. See, so lower class interval is 5. Okay, so concerned class interval. Concerned class interval is 5 divided by 5 and we will get 1. Clear to all? Devargo, Kritika, clear? How we will find out adjustment factor? Okay, very good. Next, see again 5 divided by 5 because we know our lower class interval is 5. Then again 5 divided by 5, 1, 5 divided by 5 and we get 1. Next, see 30 to 40, 10 divided by 5 and it will be 2. Next 20 divided by 5, 4, 20 divided by 5, 4. Okay, so this, what is the basic thing of this? How we find out the adjustment factor? See, if class interval is twice than the lower class in if we compare to the lower class intervals, so this class intervals we can divide by 2. Okay, and if it is 3 times, then we divide by 3. If it is 4 times, see here 40 to 60, if we divide it, okay, 40 to 60, the class interval is 20. If we divide into 4 parts, so it the frequency or number of workers here denoted by the frequency, so this one we can divide it by the 4. Simple thing. If you don't know the formula, then also you can find easily, because if the class interval is twice in the previous class intervals, then we can easily divide by the 2. If 3 times, then 3. If 4 times, then 4. Clear to all? Kirtika and Debargo? Okay. Now we find out the frequency density. Without frequency density, we can't draw the diagram. So next column, make frequency density. How we will find out frequency density? Which frequency is given? This frequency divided by the adjustment factor. Frequency divided by the adjustment factor, and we get the frequency density. That means frequency is here 7. 7 divided by 1 is equal to 1. Next one, you can tell me. Kirtika, next frequency density. Give me answer. Yes, very good. 10. 10 divided by 1 and we will get 10. Okay. Debargo. Can you hear me, Debargo? Okay, tell me the next frequency density. Fast. Very good. 27 divided by 1, it will be 27. Next 15 divided by 1, it will be 15. Next, Kirtika. No, Kirtika, see. How we will find out the frequency density? Frequency divided by the adjustment factor. Yes, Debargo, very good. 6. 12. Frequency is 12. Divided by the adjustment factor is here. How much? 2. It will be 6. Clear, Kirtika? Next 12. Yes, Debargo, very good. 3. And the next one, 8 divided by 4, it will be 2. Yes, very good. Okay. So I am rubbing these columns and I draw the diagram. Okay. So same. Draw the 2 axes. Horizontal axis x, vertical axis denoted by the y and origin 0. Okay. Now take 0 to 5, 10, 15. Take the 5 intervals. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75 and 80. Our interval up to 80. And that's it. Give the same. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, so first one, 10 to 15, frequency density is 7. 10 to 15, 7. Just after 10, just below the 10, it is 7. 10 to 15, 7. Next one, 15 to 20, 10. Right? So draw. Okay. Next, 20 to 25, 27. Okay. Next one, 25 to 30. Our frequency density 15. 15. Okay. Next, 6. 30 to 40. 6. Draw up to 40. Next, 40 to 60. 3. Next, 60 to 80. 2. Okay, completed. Understood or not? Okay, and in the vertical axis, write down the number of workers. That means here you measures the frequency, number of workers. And in the horizontal axis, write down weekly wages in rupees. Sir?